Today we're gonna do some. Alright, guys, we're gonna do some hauls today. So I went to Five Below the other day, and I told myself that I'm not gonna buy anything, but look what I ended up. So much, guys. So okay, let me show you what I got. Alright, guys, so that is the Five Below. So anyways, before we go over what's inside this bag, well, I went to the store. I told myself I'm not gonna buy anything, but I ended up buying a lot, guys. So I'm gonna show you the big ones first. I bought this ball, so I don't know, I just like it. I just feel like I need to get a ball or something. I think it's good for exercise too in the morning, right? Just dribble it like that. So yeah, so this one is $5. Let me get the receipt. Let me see. So this is the receipt, and the ball was, where is it? All Star. Yeah, it's $5. Where it looks like everything is $5 except for the little hands, and then the batteries. The batteries are $3.99. And then the little hands is gonna be $2, and the Peeps is $2 as well. So most of them are $5. So yeah, so this is the receipt from Five Below. So yeah, I just like the ball, so I don't know why. I'm gonna buy the basketball maybe this summer. So anyway, so that is the ball. And then I have this this board, dry erase board. I'm gonna use this for something, maybe on my TikTok video. I have an idea, so hopefully I get viral, guys. So follow me on TikTok too, okay? So yeah, so this one is $5. You can hang it on the wall or just put it like that. So that is the dry erase board. So this is $5 as well. Okay, so first I have this little hands. It's just for fun, you know. So I think you have to put it inside your sweater like that, and then just pretend this is your hand or something. Yeah, I've seen this on TikTok. Maybe I'm gonna try to, yeah, to make a video out of this, some silly video. So this one is $2. It says pranks little hands or something. And then the Peeps, I'm kind of like curious what the Peep tastes like, because I've never seen a flavor like this before. It says caramel mocha right there. And yeah, so I'm gonna try this, guys, and I'm gonna tell you what it tastes like. So this one is how much is this? This one is $2 as well. So yeah, and then next, so the next one is this one. I was surprised they're selling this at Five Below, and this is only $5. And this one will use, it needed a AAA battery, so I'm just curious, and I just want to check it out and try it. That's why I bought it. So this is BB-8. Before, when the movie came out, right, they started to make some toys out of it, and but the toys are expensive. But this is not, it's not like that one that they sell before. So I don't know if this is good, so we're gonna try. I don't know if this guy is gonna roll as well, you know, like the one that they sell before. So yes, but those are expensive ones. This is $5, so I don't know. So we're gonna try it out, guys. So I'm just curious, that's why I bought it. So that one. And then I am very curious, guys. So that's why I saw R2D2 as well, and this is also $5. And this one runs with a triple A battery right there. So yeah, so we're gonna try this out later, guys, after I show you what I got. So it has a remote control, the same as BB8. It has a remote control. So this one runs with triple A battery as well. So yeah, so yeah, check out the Five Below Five Below store, guys. So I really recommended it because it's kind of cool inside. If you like toys and stuff, it happens to be that I love toys. That's why I'm kind of like so the next one, the battery that we're gonna use there. So this one, it was $3.99 each. So we're gonna use this battery for the Star Wars toys. And the last but not least, this one, I've never seen this before, but I've seen a lot of people on YouTube making video out of this toy. So this one, it says Wacky Packages Minis. So it's kind of like, those stuff, the food stuff that they make it into a small kind of like doll thing where you put in the doll house or something. But it's kind of like funny because they changed the name. Like, for example, goldfish, it says here coldfish instead of goldfish. And then macaroni and cheese, and it says here macaroni and geese. Isn't that funny? So yeah, so it has 5 stuff inside. I think this is like a blind item toy or something, so you don't know what you are going to get. So I'm gonna give this to my nieces, and I'm not gonna open this today, guys, because this toys are for them. And yeah, they told me they like this toy. I don't know where they discover it. Maybe they just saw this in the store and then they like it, and then they told me they want this toy. So hopefully they don't have this yet because they already bought some. So yeah, so I'm gonna give one of each for them. And this one was $5 each, guys. So yeah, it's very interesting. Maybe I'm gonna go back there and buy more for myself. So yeah, anyway, so that is this toy. So yeah, so you never know what you are going to get. So anyway, so that is that. I think that's cover most of my purchase at Five Below. So yeah, so now we're gonna try the Star Wars toys, guys. So if it really gonna work, so hopefully it works, guys. So let me just open the box, okay?
Alright guys, we're gonna start opening this one, the R2D2. OMG guys, look at this. It looks so nice. So this is the instruction booklet on how you put the batteries. So there's a manual, whatever, and this is the remote control. So I don't know if there's like a switch in here. Okay, so let me put that there. Let me just put a battery on the remote control thingy. Oh, I need to open this. See, look, right there. Hold on for a moment, guys. So let me try to open this, guys. So put the battery. Batteries, I think.
Okay guys, It doesn't work, so I don't know where the other battery. Um, yeah, you need to open this one, guys. Oh, weird. Oh, here on the bottom. So you have to open this and then you have to put another 3 batteries inside. So let me just open it, guys.
This is kind of like interesting. Okay, I think it's only works like, forward and then backward. Okay, so you open this, the one at the bottom, and then you put another 3 batteries in it. So hold on. Okay, so you put the battery in there, guys. So, yeah, let's try.
Okay, so first you have to turn this. Ooh! Did you hear that, guys?
Okay, hold on. Oh, there you go. It's working, guys. OMG, this is cool. I love this one. Ah! Sorry, guys, hold on.
Okay. Okay, guys, so it is so awesome. But the only thing, it's only like moving forward and backward. That's it. Yeah. But it's cool, right? It kind of like expensive. It looks expensive. And people is not going to know that it's only $5. So this is what I recommend for you guys to, when you go to Five Below. So buy this item for your kids, or you know, for the young at heart, kids at heart. And then for the Star Wars collectors, I recommend this one, guys. So yeah, this is so much fun. See? Okay, now we're gonna try BB-8. Alright, so this is BB-8. This is what I really wanted to buy. So yeah, the original one, well, I don't know if this is fake or something, but the original one, the expensive one, I think it's like $100 something. So yeah, so let me see if this is gonna work. So yeah, it's the same remote control as R2D2. So yeah, so we have, maybe I can use the other one, right? So let me open this, guys, for you. And here is the instruction care booklet. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. So, you know, the expensive one, this one kind of like roll, but this one only has the thingy in here, the wheels, so it's not gonna roll. So it's just moving like that, back and forward, backward, forward. So yeah, so the original one, this thingy is kind of like moving around, right? So, but yeah, I don't care. It's cute, guys. Look, right? And let me see if this is gonna if I can use this remote control to this one. So hold on for a moment.
So this one you need another 3 AAA battery, guys. Right there. Okay, so this is the switch button. So off and then on. So let me see if I can use R2D2's remote control, since it's similar. Sometimes it works. Oh yeah, it works. It scares me, guys. So okay, hold on. Okay, BB-8 is kind of like responding so fast, guys. Not like R2D2. Oopsie. Okay. So, yeah, see the wheels right there? Turning around. Okay. Woo. Okay. Okay, cool. Okay, so yeah, so I was expecting that this big thingy is gonna like move around, but it's not. Yeah, because it's $5. So you have to get what you pay for, right? So yeah. So anyways, it's still an awesome display for your, to your room or to your computer room or whatever. And yeah, this one is nice too for the collectors. It's a very cheap one, fun to play. And yeah, so let me see if they're gonna both work. Yeah, I think I like R2D2. Maybe because BB8 is faster. That's why R2D2 is kind of like slower a little bit, Ooh. Okay, guys, they both move. See? Okay, so I can use one remote control, and both of them are like responding. See? Oh my god, guys, this is so much fun. For the Star Wars collector there, I recommend you guys to go to Five Below and buy this stuff. So right now, I'm just gonna use it as a display. I'm not gonna, play with it. But don't forget to remove the battery, guys, if you're not using it, because sometimes the battery is gonna melt, inside this thingy here. So if you're not using stuff, the battery operated one, just remove the battery. Because, yeah. So anyways, I really, really love this purchase that I made at Five Below. And maybe I will go back there in the future and buy some more stuff. Let's see. Superman. Fall down. So, yeah. Okay. Sorry, guys. R2D2 is out of control. Let's see. Alright, guys, so this is the Peeps. Uh-oh. Oh, look at that. There's like a chocolate on the bottom of the marshmallow. So, okay, so I don't know if I'm gonna like this one. So there's a chocolate, so let's try. Alright, guys, so I recommend if you eat this one, so you have to drink coffee or maybe a tea because it's too sweet, guys. Look, and then there's like something inside. I think it's like, what is it? Oh, it's a caramel. That's why it's super sweet, guys. But it's okay, but... Yeah, so you have to drink coffee or tea for this one. So, anyway, let me just clean my finger, guys. Hold on.
Alright guys, so these are my purchase at Five Below. So yeah, so I recommend you guys to buy this one if you're a Star Wars collector. And then I have my ball here, and then my niece's toys in there, and then the prank little hands, that one, and the batteries. So yeah, so I enjoy shopping over there, guys. So again, thank you for watching my video, my Five Below haul. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So this is Alfie again. Thank you, guys. Happy shopping. Bye.